Nature and movement categories. Mridu or Maitra, soft. This category signifies a soft, gentle, tender, and nurturing nature and movement, implying harmony, flexibility, and emotional sensitivity. Nakshatras included Mrigashira, Chitra, Anuradha, Revati. Ideal for undertaking activities that require creativity, diplomacy, healing, and gradual growth, such as artistic work, counseling, meditation, aesthetic enjoyments like arts, music, and beauty treatments, relationship building like love and marriage, friendships, and projects that need nurturing and gentle care rather than forceful action. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.